Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about resolving if you're experiencing issues with no internet access on your computer after resetting your router. So the primary reasons why your modem doesn't have internet are bandwidth saturations, damaged hardware, and lost connections. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So just type this command keyword ipconfig //DNS, so that is one word, and press mo lang yung enter. And successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan lang natin i-enter ay type mo lang dito yung command keyword na NATSH reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH reset and press mo lang yung enter. And successfully reset the WinSock catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So, ang next step dito, so close lang natin yan. So, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset the network. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung network reset. And next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung open. And so madadirect tayo dito sa network reset settings. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So ang next step, makikita mo dito yung network reset sa baba. And dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang itap dito yung reset now. And then network reset, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. So after dito, at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix no internet connections after resetting router error. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.